If you're watching this video, chances are you're an app creator. And as an app creator, you want your app to be as successful as possible. However, with more than 1 million apps in the app stores, that's getting increasingly difficult. Nowadays, most apps will simply drown in the crowd. You might know 30 different apps, but how about the other 999,970? Let's face it, to make your app successful, you must go the extra mile and show how and why your app is the best thing since sliced bread. And that's what we're here to help you achieve by using the most effective tool available: videos. Videos entertain, they demand attention, and they'll easily be shared far and wide across the web. At Apps Gone Viral, we create killer videos that are designed to market, brand, and demonstrate your app. Basically everything you'll need to drive droves of traffic to your app and send it rocketing through the download charges. So get in contact today and let's take your app to the next level.